The objective of this motion, therefore, is to ensure that the Ministry of Health comes up with a clear national policy that will see to it that school-going children are dewormed on a regular basis so as to keep our children safe, while at the same time ensuring that they stay focused in their studies and that international worms, which are common in school-going kids, are gotten rid of. Honorable Speaker, deworming means getting rid of the intestinal worms, which are categorized as roundworms, whipworms, and hookworms. These intestinal worms in children causes many problems such as anemia, stunt growth, impaired cognitive development, poor short memory, and all these lead to low school attendance. And according to WHO, the World Health Organization, it has been proven that deworming increases school attendance by at least 7.5%.
This particular program, because there is a program which is run in school even today on deworming, but because it's not regular, we don't maximize or attain the level which it can achieve the intended results. Honorable Speaker, I want to support this motion and say it is very timely and it is the very high time that this House supports this important motion so that a proper deworming program is put in place in our schools.
Recalling that previous programs conducted by the Ministry of Health in partnership with non-governmental organizations called Evidence Action has only been piloted in a few selected counties, and that the deworming efforts have been uncoordinated and dependent on external support, which with no clear policy or budgetary framework. Now, therefore, this House urges the national government through the Ministry of Health to develop a national policy on deworming school-going children as a crucial part of mainstreaming of health care access in the country. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Aye. Will as many as of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it.